So let me show you how to rename your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. Now this is very simple. Just open up the case and make sure they're connected to your phone. And then on the app, the Soundcore app, go to your Liberty 5s. Now, if you tap on settings, you can see the current device name. So mine are called Liberty 5. Now, you cannot change them from here. You cannot rename them from there. You have to go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. So on my iPhone, I'm just going to go into Bluetooth and find my Soundcore Liberty 5s. You can see they're connected. So if I tap on this eye icon and then go to the name, you can see they'll have, I can now edit that name. So I'm going to add something here. For instance, I can remove that and put my name, just basically to customize the name of these earbuds, and then tap on done. Okay, now when I hit the back button, you can see now they're Chris's Liberty 5s. Now, if you go to the app and probably even reload the app, let's try and reload this app. You can see something interesting. So if you go to settings and check the device name, they're still called Liberty 5. So the name change only happens in Bluetooth. Now in the app, it's still going to be the same name. But that is basically how to rename them. Thanks for watching and good luck.